BlackRock manages $10 trillion for their clients, and they're endorsing Bitcoin. They're telling their traditional investors that they need to own Bitcoin. Some of y'all might say, that ain't prove nothing. Oh, I'm not finished unpacking this for you. Don't worry, I'm going to continue to unpack it for you. Let me show you something. All right? Y'all ready? Y'all looking? Look at the market cap of crypto. There's 21,000, almost 22,000 cryptos, right? Spread out across 500 exchanges, right? 528. The total market cap of all of crypto, that means all of these, the total market cap is $859 billion. Is that true? Yeah, of course it is. I'm showing you the numbers. It's absolutely true. But here's where I got to make it plain for some of y'all, because some of y'all don't do your research and your homework. Bitcoin has a market cap of $327 billion right now. Is that true? Yes, it is. Isn't it fair to say that Bitcoin owns, look, if it's 327 billion, it owns majority of the percentage of this entire market cap. Is that true? Yes. Is that true? This one. Look at the market cap. Look at the total market cap of all 21,000. Bitcoin is soaking up 327 billion of this thing right here. Calvin, you still haven't, I'm still unpacking it for you. Institutional investors, I want to remind you of what they said here. Let me go to it so I can remind you what they said. BlackRock, who manages $10 trillion for their assets, is endorsing Bitcoin to their legitimate asset for their traditional investors to own. You know what that means, right? Traditional investors aren't in Bitcoin. They're not in crypto. Traditional investors are in publicly traded companies. Traditional investments. They're in ETFs like Vanguard, exchange traded funds. Is that true? They're in precious metals like gold. Is that true? Yes, it is. So if traditional investors are over here, right? Let me explain something to you. Apple's market cap by itself, just Apple, the market cap is 2.3 trillion. That means Apple's market cap is damn near 3 times the entire market cap of all crypto. I'm gonna say that to you again because I'm going somewhere with this. Apple's market cap is damn near 3 times the entire market cap of all of crypto. Apple by itself, 2.3 trillion. I'm speaking facts here. So your traditional investors are hedging in gold. They have their money in Apple and Microsoft and silver and gold and all that shit, right? Now, BlackRock, which manages $10 trillion, is telling their clients, hey, we see Bitcoin as a legitimate asset and we think y'all should own some of that shit. Oh, okay. Let me help you out. Let me flip my camera back around now. If a company that manages $10 trillion in assets, that means that they have clients and this shit makes up $10 trillion. They're telling their clients, hey, I think it's a good idea for y'all to have some Bitcoin in your portfolio. I'm not finished. That's just the beginning of it. Let me flip my camera back around. I'm still unpacking. Banks launch a crypto exchange. Why? Because the banking system is worth hundreds of billions of dollars and they can see your money and my money leaving their banking institutions, which are centralized, and we're putting our money on exchanges to turn it into digital assets, like Bitcoin. So Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and the Citadel have a crypto exchange called EDXM so that they can actually start getting some of this crypto money. And they're gonna go and do this, and they're doing that for Bitcoin first. Now I wanna come over here and I wanna explain something as I drive this home. In this particular portfolio, I own right now 13.4 Bitcoin. Total value about 228,000 right now in a bear market. Bitcoin is trading at $17,000. What do you think is gonna happen when someone who manages $10 trillion tells their clients to come in here and buy this thing? Do you think it's going to stay here at 17? Remember, the all-time high was already 68,000. For those of you who totally forget that, let me remind you. When Bitcoin hit $68,000, you totally forgot that the market cap by itself, just Bitcoin by itself, the market cap of Bitcoin was $1.2 trillion. That means it was damn near twice the market cap of all of crypto right now. At its highest point at 68 grand, its market cap was 1.2 trillion. You're now getting traditional money coming in and buying this, and they're gonna buy this one first.